So as a lighting designer and a lighting coach, I spend a lot of time talking about lighting design. A couple things that I would say and I'd recommend is most of the time we're using too few fixtures and we're going too bright with them. And most of our projects are probably brighter than they need to be. So I always like to, if I'm gonna err one side or the other, I'm gonna err on being a little less bright. A couple things that does is it provides a softer, warmer, more intimate feel. Also, it's easier on the product lines. If we're not maxing everything out to 1,000 lumens on every single light, we get a better looking design, but we're also not pushing the lights to the max. We actually test all of our lights to be running at the highest output capacity. But if I cut that back and I'm running it at 400 lumens or 300 lumens and it's designed to run at 1,000, then I know that I'm going to get greater longevity. So my goal is I want to have that LM70, that 70% light output at a minimum, getting as long as possible. 15 years is really what my goal is before I have to do relamps and change outs. As a lighting designer, some of the things that I'd recommend is design softer, use more lights, really use the right lights for the right application, right luminaires for the right applications. As a lighting designer talking to fellow lighting designers, these are keys that I would recommend you implement in your design, and hopefully my experience of 25 years of doing this can help you in your lighting designs as well.